boys and girls, let's look at question number 9. It says to solve on the whiteboard, show your work, and check your answer. What is 6 divided by 1/3? Let's write that out on the whiteboard. 6 divided by 1/3. Okay, right away, I see that I have a division problem that involves a fraction. And so I right away am thinking KFC. Now, the dividend is a whole number, and so we can use that shortcut for it, but I will do it both ways. So up here, I'm just going to kind of put KF, whoops, that's a terrible F, C, and we'll go from there. So now, I'm going to go through the steps, and then I'll go through the shortcut way. So let's turn our whole number into a fraction and rewrite this as 6 over 1 divided by 1/3. All right, K, keep my first fraction. F, flip my second fraction. That's the reciprocal we need. And then C, change from division to multiplication. Then I'm going to multiply my numerator. 6 times 3 is 18. Multiply my denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. And then simplify, right? I have this improper fraction of 18 over 1, and we know that that equals the whole number 18. Okay. Now, let's talk if we did the shortcut way. If we were to do it the shortcut, because we have this whole number, we're going to keep our whole number, and our 1/3 that we usually flip becomes 3 over 1. And 3 over 1 is equal to 3 whole. So I'm simply going to call it 3. And of course, I still have to change from division to multiplication. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Take a look, it's the same answer. Check your whiteboard. Make sure you have one of these methods on your whiteboard. If you need to change your answer, please make sure you take the time to change your answer so that it is correct.